Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The topic that is selected for this video is matrices. First, we are going to give you the introduction of matrices and then we will move forward for the basic terminologies that is being used in this chapter. So, the idea of matrices was given by Arthur Kelly, an English mathematician of 19th century. He was the one who first developed the theory of matrices in 1858. Let's move forward with the definition of matrix. A rectangular array. Array means the arrangement, or you can say the layout. A rectangular array or a formation of collection of numbers enclosed by these square brackets. So if the numbers are orderly arranged in some proper manner, we can say these are aligned in the form of matrices. Let's say, for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the numbers. When we arrange them properly like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we enclose these numbers in these square brackets, a matrix is formed. Let's give another example of matrices. Let's have 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, and also like 12, 13 and 14. When we arrange these numbers in order in a proper order and enclose these numbers in these square brackets, then you can say a matrix is formed. Let's move forward with these further terminologies. So, first one is the entries or the elements. Whatsoever is written inside these square brackets are called the entries or the elements. Let's say these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these 6 are entries or you can say the elements. Matrix or matrices. When we talk about one single matrix, then that is called matrix. And when we discuss more than one, we call it matrices. So singular is matrix and plural is matrices. Now notation. Notation used for matrices, the name that we are going to give the matrices are in the form of capital letters. Let's say, give an example, capital A is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 5. So this is one matrix. Let's say capital B is equal to like this. So this is another matrix. So usually we denote the matrices by capital letters, right? Let's move forward with further components of matrices. Now, how a matrix is formed? The formation of matrices is done with the help of rows and columns. First, let's discuss what are rows. Rows of matrix. I have written down one example already. The matrix A is written in this form. So, row 1 means the numbers arranged, or you can say the elements arranged in horizontal form are called rows. Horizontal lines are these sleeping lines, right? So the numbers arranged in horizontal form or the entries or the elements arranged in horizontal form are called rows. So first we have this row 1. So it can also be written as R1. Second we have this row. This one. This is called row 2. R2 can be represented in the form of this. Let's form another row. This one. So it is called row 3. So this is the matrix having 3 rows. So the numbers or the elements or the entries presented in horizontal way are called rows. Let's move forward with other component of a matrix, which is called the, you can say, the column of a matrix. The numbers or the entries presented in vertical way are called columns. So if I highlight the first column, this is the column 1, like C1. Vertical line means the standing line, right? So this is how vertical lines look like. So the second column, again, let's say the second column, this one, the entries written vertically are represented by columns. So this is C2. The third column, let us represent it by this. So this is C3, column 3. The entries presented vertically are called columns. I hope you understand these components, rows and columns of a matrix, the definition of a matrix. So these were the basic terminologies. In the next video, we are going to discuss the order of a matrix and equal matrices. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.